Hello everybody. Today we have I'm gonna guess Banvil. Judging by the motor shape. I got this along with the Heritage Spector I got both the fans and a bag of extra parts for a whole bunch of stuff for only $20. And yeah, stencil on these blades is absolutely like beautiful. I'm trying to make this video quick because it's very hot, and to avoid making noise I have to shut these off. Oh boy. Okay. So there's no light on it. So here's high. I did have to balance the blades, but you know, there's a pitch shot. Because I think one was bent with way too much pitch, and then one was bent with too little pitch. Very quiet. Doesn't make bearing noise or nothing. This thing is silent. Okay, here's medium. Pretty good little fan. I like it. And yes, I'm back out in the garage because I'm too lazy to take down the Spector. Plus, I already put this one up thinking to test it. But I didn't have any, it didn't come with blade screws. So I just got back from the hardware store and threw the blades on, and yeah, it looks very nice. Two of the blade arms, the pitch is correct, but the brackets themselves are bent off to the side. I'll have to find a way to fix that. Or I might leave it just because it's already in pretty good balance. I'll go to low. This is also my first time seeing it run. As per usual, I'm hacking a dart as the fan's going. I honestly don't know why I do it. I think it's just because I already come out here to have one, and then I just record a video. I suggest this fan belong to a smoker because the blades are a little yellow, but nowhere near as yellowed as my Laguna. Because the previous owners of this house used to smoke in it, and the Laguna that I had, the first Laguna I got, was in the spare room, and it's just so yellowed, it's ridiculous. Really nice low. Still completely silent. There's one of the bearings. It's in very good shape. It's a very big motor. And it may not spin all that fast, but like I said, the pitch is actually pretty decent. So. Alright, go back to high. It's got a nice heavy clunking sound pull chain, which I love. Because a lot of times you can tell the fan's like, if it's cheap or good, just by the way the pull chain sounds. If it's got a nice clunk, it's like you know it's good, because it just sounds like it's more heavy duty. But like, if it's like a wimpy little like click, then it's horrible. Alright. I'll just spin down. Very beautiful fan. I'm very happy I got this. And there will be a couple more videos coming up soon because I just got a little Allen and Roth fan for my gazebo, and I got a Kichler ceiling fan on sale, regular $2.99. I got it for $75. So it was like a steal. I was like, okay, I can't pass that up. So expect those videos soon. When it comes to a stop, you might be able to see the two blades that are bent. They're actually right next to each other. It's that one and that one. I'll show you in better detail when it's off. Or when it spins down, because I know people like to watch the fan spin down for some reason. Oh, family came out. You can kind of see a couple of the blades are a little bent. And this thing's got a pretty good spin down. Like I said, I haven't oiled the bearings or nothing. This is my first time seeing it run. Alright, it's come to a stop, and you can see, I'll look at it straight. That one's That's one of the bent ones. That one appears to be in alignment. That one does. This one's bent to the right. So yeah, this one's bent to the right. That one's bent to the left. So I suspect somebody was carrying something on high, then it hit this one, gave it more pitch, and then when it bounced back, it bent this one into less pitch. I don't know. The angled irons, it doesn't really bother me, especially because the fan's still in decent balance. It has like the slightest shimmy to it, so I might not even touch it. But yeah, that's all for this Banvil ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Have a good night, guys.